We're pleased to show you the 2008 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, alloy wheels. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.